Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S6 versus the BMW 550i. We'll start by looking at their powerful engines. The S6 comes with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, delivering 444 horsepower, while the 550i features a larger 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out 523 horsepower. Both cars offer exhilarating performance, with quick acceleration times under 4.5 seconds to 60 mph, making them thrilling to drive. Moving inside, both luxury sedans offer sophisticated cabins. The Audi S6 showcases a dual-screen MMI infotainment system with haptic feedback, providing a modern and tactile experience. The BMW 550i counters with its iDrive 7 system, celebrated for its user-friendly rotary controller. You'll find high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and a suite of advanced driver assistance features in both, ensuring a refined and safe journey. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Audi S6 offers a composed and balanced ride, thanks to its standard all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, making it smooth on various roads. The BMW 550i, on the other hand, often feels a bit sportier, with precise steering and available dynamic handling packages that enhance its agility. Both sedans provide an engaging and comfortable experience, catering to different driving preferences. Finally, let's consider value and ownership. The Audi S6 generally starts around $75,000, offering a compelling package for its price. The BMW 550i, with its more powerful V8, often begins closer to $80,000. Fuel economy for both is quite similar, averaging about 22 miles per gallon combined. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.